What if posting to social media was as simple as sending one Telegram message? With ClawBox, you connect your real browser profile and let AI handle the repetitive work for you. Today, I'll show you how to post across every platform: YouTube, X, Reddit, and more. Let's use X as our example. First, open the browser inside your ClawBox and click Open in VNC. VNC is the remote desktop view of your ClawBox. It lets you see and control the ClawBox computer from your laptop, just like sitting in front of it. From there, log in to your X account. Now open Telegram, go to your bot, and send it something like, "Just shipped 10 ClawBox units to Norway this week. Edge AI is going global." Wait about a minute. And you can see that your post is already cooking. And your post is live. One message, 0 clicks. That's ClawBox. For more tutorials, like and subscribe.